Water is an indispensable substance in human life. Besides drinking at least 3 liters of water every day, water is indispensable for cleaning, bathing, and washing. In the outdoor environment has many problems about water, such as microorganisms and pollutants and so on. Lead in water, lacking clean water, and even getting precious drinking water in time. Faced with these problems, we have been thinking about solutions until the light water idea came up. Just imagine, no matter where, just turn on the switch. The clean water will flow out like a tap at home. To achieve this goal, we spent 2 years, built over 100 versions, and tested over 1,000 hours. Traditional outdoor water purification equipment requires manual operation and is inefficient, but light water after a full charge can purify more than 100 liters of water at one time when fully charged. It fills a 0.9-liter water bottle in a minute. You can also match the water purification straws you already have by selecting the right filter element. It can remove more than 99.999% of various impurities in the water. Light water also has ultraviolet bactericidal chamber, which can inhibit the secondary reproduction of microorganisms, further removing bacteria and viruses in the water, making drinking water safer. The family set of light water is the mobile water station for each trip. The specially designed double-layer asphalt protection box is equipped with several filter elements with different performance, which is enough to purify more than 2,000 liters of water and fill more than 200 such water tanks. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, Light Water Mini will be your best choice. It used the design of ultra-low weight, only 137 grams, IPX7 waterproof ability to ensure that the use of it in any bad environment lets you in the process of exploring nature more. Light water lets you not worry about outdoor water. Cleaner, more convenient, easier to receive, with folding buckets, basins, and easily received in protective boxes or backpacks. Everything becomes so simple.
National parks are national treasures. Help preserve America's national parks and protect the wildlife, biological diversity, and recreational playgrounds that make our country great with the new Newverest National Parks poster that will inspire and educate children and adults from one end of the country to the other. Every Newverest National Park poster is hand-painted by local artists. Each of the 60 national parks are beautifully represented in a totally unique design and look amazing hanging on your wall. Get them framed or use self-adhesive tape and put your poster where it can easily be seen. It adds to any home's decor and looks great in your living room, bedroom, office, or kids' room. Every time you visit a national park, scratch off the outer layer to reveal the beautiful colors and hidden image beneath. It's an easy way to track your travels and plan future adventures. The poster comes in either bright white or deep black. If you're a backpacker, you can pick your favorite or get one of each. Newverest is proud to be an American company. We're located in Delaware and have been in business since 2017. Since we've already been doing this a while, the risks are minimal. We have trusted suppliers, and our manufacturing and delivery processes were worked out long ago. At Newverest, we want to inspire people to actually see the world they're living in, to climb their own personal Mount Everest and seek out new adventures. Each poster comes with 60 hand-drawn cards with pictures and fun facts about each of the 60 national parks. They'll motivate children and adults alike to see more of our great country's national treasures. Come join our Kickstarter campaign and help protect America's national parks. We can't wait to inspire and educate thousands of people about the national parks. But our project can only go live if we get the support we need. Ready to join us? Choose your reward and help us bring this project to life.
Hi Kickstarter, Libby from Danger Buddies here with our camera bag for hikers and climbers. We developed this bag to tether your camera and to provide drop protection. For climbers, this is a bag you can take on the wall when ascending a fixed line. For hikers, this is a bag that provides quick camera access and doesn't interfere with your pack. Our bag attaches securely to your waist using a harness-style buckle. The camera tethers to the bag through a locking quick connect buckle. The tether retains the camera if accidentally dropped, preventing damage to the camera and, more importantly, injury to anyone below. We've made 2 prototypes so far, collected over 100 people's feedback, including multiple professional climbers and adventure photographers, and now have a 3rd prototype on the way, which will be the last before our production. Our manufacturing partner in Taiwan has designed bags for both Canon and Nikon in the past and brings over 30 years of experience to the Danger Buddies team. To learn more about Danger Buddies and our camera bag, read below on Kickstarter and follow us on Instagram at Danger Buddies Gear.
Hey, it's Chase from EarthPack, here to introduce our Torrent Series Zipper Dry Bag. We took our trusted original dry bag and added a splash-proof outside zippered pocket to allow easy access to smaller items you need to grab on the go without having to unroll your dry bag. Our zippered dry bags are available from 10 to 40 liter sizes, making them perfect for all ranges of adventure. The 10 liter and 20 liter sizes are made with a single adjustable shoulder strap and are suitable for those who want to pack light for a day trip and have a heavy-duty bag that will protect your possessions. The 30 liter and 40 liter sizes can carry a lot more gear and are equipped with padded back straps and an adjustable chest strap. All of our dry bags are made with 500D PVC material, making it resistant to abrasion and punctures, and suitable for quick water submersion. The outside zipper pocket is a great solution to store all your grab-and-go items, such as keys, knives, and sunglasses. Keeping in mind that this pocket is splash-proof, we do not recommend storing any kind of electronics in this pocket. The main compartment is constructed with a roll-top closure, providing airtight protection. Attached D-rings allow you to connect your bag to the side of a raft, boat, or kayak. No matter where your adventures take you, this dry bag is up for the challenge. Pack up and go with the Torrent Series Zippered Dry Bag.